Yam crofwa ya boafo aso ya senesi yemfa program fefefe emrewo. Any appafrican.co.uk. Ai, womo ye online business womo platform kesiye womo ebue so mo de beboa adwadifo. Eni me bia woton bia o qualify. Enti bomodin me call mo website ho www.appafrica.co.uk. Nako register. O register ye hwe eye free. Bomodin a sa wo bekọ ho na anu yo makwa akodedwa. Afa ye free ho a ye ko pay angel money transfer. Pay angels also. Eye sika money bofo a wo mo ba so mo beboa ye. Na yetimi asani sika de akoma yadofo wo Ghana. Wo mo sika no emu odu kakra bi abesani bia na ye bebre. Ye nte wo hwe eye free. Bomodin akọ Google Play ana Apple Store ne ko download omo app no ne shasia ne send usika afa so insurance wo ho enipa wo send sika na koma no wo Ghana no o qualify se daachi bia nyame mfasa ma o yare o se bi aduro bi no wo pe o se bibia o pe bia no insurance ne beboa no na ato ama no
e from Kofiedu who from Ejaku Abranti Amejitsu online party o pese wade yeto ana yeton ana yebo ho dawrodia e wo UK enfan to ba bia se hwehwe eye Juu online on bobo ho dawro ama na akoba bia umpewe na apede Juu wa ni yeti o
enuanum ni adofo se uko internet so a enhwe ba bia se Juu TV. Keep watching Juu TV.
Yeah, menuanum ni adofo a mo hwe Juu TV. Ai enaso mo ni bibi aye nuanom Nigeria ye ka kire mu ye se ye de bia no ye ni neighbors and ebo Nigeria for a party. Yeah, today is Nigeria is celebrating independent party. Yes, so Juu TV, we are there. We have one of our brothers here. We want to ask him the reason why he's here, his name, and come closer to me, my brother. Yeah, okay, what is your name?
My name is Makanaki, aka Festac Finest, aka Beautiful, aka Nigerian Celeb, aka Precious Money, aka Money is Too Much, aka Money Lover, aka Sexy Lover.
So which one do you want me to use to call you?
Those are my names, yeah.
Sexy lover, money lover,
pretty lover, pretty lover. Okay. Ninja, pretty ninja for life.
Oh, okay. Why are you here today?
I'm here to celebrate with my people, to celebrate independent party, to just have my fun and make a good night day, innit? That's it.
Oh, that's it. Okay. I want you to say hello to your lovers.
Okay.
The people you love.
Okay. Respect to my people in Festac. This is your boy Makanaki on Astonishing More Time. Chilling with what's your TV?
Juu TV.
Okay, Juu TV. Never a dull moment. Keep partaking and keep watching Juu TV in Ghana, in UK, in Nigeria, in Meeting Kings and diaspora. We are here to celebrate with all Africa in diaspora. As you remain one of your Festac finest, Makanaki, understanding Shimo time with Juu TV. Pra.
Thank you very much. Keep watching Juu TV and subscribe Juu TV. Hello, my people. As I told you, we have one beautiful lady here with me. Yes, she's here because of the program, I think. Then I will go straight to her and ask her the reason why she's here. My sweet sister, what is your name?
Hi, my name is Radhia.
Your name is Radhia. Yeah. Are you the queen?
Yeah, I'm the guest queen princess tonight. I'm coming here to support Tony and Nigeria people, everyone. Yeah.
Thank you very much. You're originally from where? If you don't mind.
I'm Somali, but I'm born Tanzania.
Oh, good. Oh, good. Oh, good. Oh, good. Oh, good. All right. Tony is there. Tony is around. Yeah. So this red carpet is for you. The red carpet is waiting for the queen. Okay. I want you to just say hello to your people. All right. If you don't mind. So let's go.
Yeah.
Anybody you know, your friends, your colleagues.
I have so many people tonight here, and then I'm so happy to come in here tonight and red carpet, Nigeria independent. Yeah, I'm coming here tonight to support everyone, Nigeria people.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm the first time to come in here tonight, but I'm so happy.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, this is Juu TV. Yes, we are still here in the Nigeria party, independent party. We have two beautiful ladies with me now. Yes, they are so beautiful. So, one is on my right and one is on my left. I want to go to my right first, ask her name, then we come back here. Sweetheart, what is your name?
I'm Surinder, darling.
All right, Celinda?
Yeah, Surinder.
Sevinda?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name?
Alison.
Alison. Oh, wonderful name. You got a wonderful name.
And your name?
My name is Julie.
Oh, yeah, you said it, sorry.
Yeah, Julie. Why are you here?
For the independent night, we love the music, we love the culture, and my darling's husband's from Nigeria.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. Why are you here, honey?
I'm supporting my husband.
Your husband from Nigeria?
Yeah, he's not here. He's at home.
He's
He's
at
at
home.
home babysitting.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So you want to enjoy for him, yeah?
Yeah.
On behalf of him?
Yeah.
All right. That is fantastic. Okay, say hello to him.
Hi.
Hi.
Mention his name.
Which is?
Patra.
Oh,
Your husband's name. Your husband.
Patra.
Say hello, my husband.
Hello.
My husband. Then mention your husband's name. Okay, and you too?
I'm Surinder. I got no one.
No. You don't.
No husband, single and happy, baby.
Okay. Happy baby.
No husband, but hello all the men today.
I'll give you a man from Ghana, okay?
No
so
problem.
So one is from Nigeria and one will go to Ghana, okay?
No problem.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
This
Thank you,
TV is Juu TV, okay?
Thank you very much,
When you
darling.
go home, subscribe to Juu. Just go to YouTube,
Okay.
type Juu,
Yeah.
then you subscribe to Juu
will do.
TV,
We
yeah?
will do. Thank you very much,
All right,
darling.
you're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Bye. Mwah. Hello, my sweetheart.
Hello.
Yeah, welcome to Juu TV.
Thank you very much.
What's your name?
My name is Juliet Hammond.
Ah, Juliet. Okay, Julie and Juliet. Okay, welcome to Juu TV once
Thank you
again.
very much. Thank
Okay,
you.
why are you here, honey?
Oh, for the program tonight.
Oh, okay.
Yes, for the Nigerian thing that is going on.
Okay. Have you attended a program like this before?
No,
Nigeria?
this is my first time. This is my first time.
Oh,
yeah.
fantastic.
I'm from Nigeria, by the way. Yes.
Hey,
Yes.
you look so pretty.
Thank you very
you are
much.
pretty.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Say hello to your friends, your colleagues, your anyone.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I hope you can make it to the Mount Moriah Award Night on the 26th of November 2022.
Award night.
Yes.
Where?
It's in London.
Oh, you confused me.
Yes.
Okay, I will come.
Good.
Invite
It
me.
would be nice to have you there.
All right.
Okay.
All right,
And you can
honey.
do this as well.
Okay. All right, sweetheart. All right,
you.
see you then.
Nice to meet
All
you.
right, nice to meet you. Bye. Hello, my Chichi. Hello, my Chichi. Hey, Chichi. Chichi. Yeah. Hello, welcome to Juu TV.
Thank you. How are you today? You look beautiful.
Ah, Chichi, you also look beautiful.
Thank you. Look at you wearing green, white, green.
Yeah, because today we are in Nigeria.
Oh.
Yes, I'm Nigeria today.
Okay.
Yes.
Happy
yes.
Independent Day,
Yeah,
Nigeria.
thank you. You too.
And I'm here with Juu TV. Right?
Chichi,
Yes.
how are you?
I'm fine there.
You know, I heard that Chichi will come. I said, oh my gosh, my Chichi My Chichi will come.
Yeah.
All right. Welcome again.
Thank you.
Say hello to your people, Chichi.
Hello, everyone. We are here for Nigerian independence tonight, and I hope we're going to catch a great fun. Tony K is in the house. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, darling.
All right. See you soon.
Mwah.
Adofo amusha Juu TV. Where the obi kan wasi ye die mu. Ai, ye hu ye nua say dia na wasi ye kan ye krom kasa. Say ye ka kire mo. Ye say ye nuanom Nigeria for akofa independence party biaba. Ai, wo independent no. Wa wo mu nyaaye no. Wo mu so wo ye party ene. Nti wa wo hwa enegu ho no. Aye, All African Unite, Nigeria Independent Party. Na ye me baby, Juu TV ba hai. Eni ye be shia ye nipa. Aye, Juu nipa. Juu TV. Ye nipa ye brother te baako. Ye dofopa. Nanaba African Kuze. Where the me mo no amoni di. Ni di na mabo a kire mo no. Wo hwe nanaba ho ofa odi aba party ase a. Enya asem ketu akra. Ana odi foforo bi abebo.
Oh, da bia no nana aba. Mi amini.
Nana aba be ye de wa ha.
Oh, sis momo ma me contract se mbeton eduane kakra wa hanti. Me de menuama na ba wa onim sa.
Wo de aduane papa bi no. Wo ba ya na de ba ya che ni bi ba. Oh, chale. Onim se ba ya che ni trophy de manage ho.
Don't worry, me the trophy bro. Me the trophy bro.
Inti omo program first time wa ba bi ni ana.
Me pacho wa first time we invite me for the program ni bi ni.
Program ni aye kama pa.
Ye go so nkofo ba pa aye kama.
Nkrofo ba mi hu the way nkrofo si ba ati mi hu say enye ize kra amanfo wo mo be twom anum twom mo be twom na ase twom na ase ai Juu TV ye de ba bia ye rewra anya de bejeja ye ho ama program we atwa ye ho akọ ye beba na ba chia wadofo ha ene customers ne ye nkọ ha
di kan me danyame ase se wama ye kwan a yetimi ehia bio me chia last over me kru di TV di kan abodi di first me chia me kru
we dey party to wo chia na fine wa chia na me nka hwe kasa ne
me chia no ene me customers nyina I hope se me hia bebre wa ha nti me chia o mu nyina na nyame adom a ye be hia me da ase
na ba ene me pese wo sign bo wo place ho no bo telephone up kire ba bia waduane ne san wo biem me pesa wo ka kire nkrofo se nanaba African Kuze me se ahaya na me wo my address ni me telephone number ni nti obi ohwehwe me bia omra ha efi se nkrofo ti me frefre me sa na maso bu omo frɛ Juu line no na maso na ebu frɛ se nanaba Eunice Eunice
mpacho ai
okay omo ya me say Eunice be omo say nanaba ti me hrew me pese ne wa kan address no kire ba bia wo ne for telephone number to dwa to bia hwehwe nanaba na onim sa ha no wo ba na omo agya me ha kakra nti yanko
okay me pacho nana
the mic no na wo mama nkita ma wo African
me pacho nana best African cuisine me wo Bletchley 130 Queensway enye yira kwan kra se wudu be Palmes ya popular pa anti me use Palmes udu Palmes butchers a na nchen ho Lois Bank na wo ho no me wo right opposite the Lois Bank enye yira kwan na me number so is 075 22 98 9865 075 22 98 9865 Madam Wase
na me so o postcode so e o kai wa address a fato
me pacho 130 Queensway MK2 2RS MK2 2RS Medase
nanaba adofo nanaba je na uru emfi adofo amusha Juu TV Semuka na naba me sanka bio na naba African cuisine. Ababa we bia ne nsa no boy ye aduane papa bi pa Juu TV kotwa no. Na address no de ato dwa no. De ntia me ma ne san de to dwa no. Enkrofo frefre me. Juu TV. Krofo fra na Juu TV. No wafa no wa kire chikwan. Enti ne onu ankasa asa kire ne chikwan biem. Enti me hrew. Wo pese ukodi aduane papa. Ne bayira ache ni chofi ne nya agro. Ni benku no enya agro. Na naba nsa no bo. Ti bomodin a na kona na best African cuisine na ko didi. Na naba Juu TV ye beda wase why? Yeah, best I share bien. Bye. What's your name?
Ricky. And this is Regan.
Ricky and Regan.
Yeah.
Regan. All right.
Name?
Julie.
Oh, I
Yeah.
love Julie.
Hi.
Hi.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
I
you.
love it.
All
Did
right.
you have a fabulous night?
Yeah. Yes. All right.
See you in
her.
there.
All right, honey. Okay. Cheers. See you later. Menuanom ni adofo a mo hwe Juu TV. Juu TV ye wo krom. Ye nuanom Nigeria for party no. Independent party. Eno ase ne ye wo. Ne ye hia ye nua saa. Ye ne omo kan ye krom kasa. Ye hia Nigeria for a ne ne omo so aka bro kasa a omo so te. Sabre ye wo ye nua ba fe bi wa ha sei. Ye beto no wo party ya se. Ono so baby. Na me nua ba. Me pa cho efre o sei.
Your family Nana.
Oh, Nana. Nampacha obede wa.
Meti he ben tam he ya. Enti no meti wa masun we ahomatrofo so awie. Me yonku bi na frɛ me. Na o ka se wunia. Nigeria for boss one mile yo. Na am so sa na sa de a. Beto afa na ma behwe de Nigeria for so na agro etie. Any say me about from my babishia Juu TV ewa hai.
Oh, yeda nyame ase say yehia ye die mu dia. Ye nua dia wo seja ye de kasa to fom. Na ja yeso ye kan ye de. Ade papa ofia oye. Me nua na chia wadofo.
Oh, adofo e wo Martin Kings. Me chia mu nyinara. Me chia mi kromfo, me chia me ma, me chia me nananom, me chia me nianom, me chia me madofo nyina on Juu TV. There's a winning baby as obekwa. Subscribe Juu TV. Now watch now the amount adofo na adofo nso anya bi ahwe. Juu TV enkomo papa ewo ho.
Yedase eno an ye kan ye no yes Juu TV say mo sha mo modian subscribe to your channel no mo yesa e maye mo vim e maye mora na busi ye immune system no amaye hoden da hello my beautiful lady. Oh, you are here because of the party?
Yes, we are.
What's your name?
My name is Jennifer Hunter.
Jennifer, say hello to your people.
Hello, everyone. What have you got
Just
to offer me tonight?
Just greet them.
What have you got to
It's
offer me?
up there. You go and see Tony. Tony is waiting for you.
Okay.
All right?
Okay. Thanks. I'm here with my crews, my gang.
Okay,
my
let them
squad.
come. All right.
It's going to be a fantastic night.
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Patty.
Patsy.
Yeah.
You are here because of the party.
Of course, I'm
All
here
right.
because of the party. Patty is here because of the party.
Yeah, say hello to your people.
Hello, my people. What's up, my niggas?
That's it. Hello. What's your name?
My name is Ruth.
Ruth. Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Hello, honey.
I'm Candy Love.
Oh, Candy Love. Say hello.
Hello.
All right. Hello, beautiful,
Hi.
sexy.
I'm Connie.
Connie. All right. Hello.
Hi.
All right. What's your name?
Tina.
Tina Turner. All right. Say hello.
Hi, love you.
Hello. Augusta. Say hello, Augusta. Hello. All right.
Lisa and Ed.
All right. Say hello. Hello to your people.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. And you?
Oh,
You
good.
look lovely.
Oh, you too. You look lovely.
I love the pink hair.
Oh, you love the big hair.
Yeah.
I love it.
Oh,
That deserves
thank
a hug.
you. Thank
It
you.
deserves a hug.
No.
No.
No hug tonight. No hug
hug.
tonight. Not
High
tonight.
five.
Not tonight.
High five.
All right. All right. Hello. Oh, how are you?
Good, you?
All right. What's your name?
Shani.
Shani. Say hello to your people. there. You shine. You're so lovely. All right.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't want a cigarette.
No, don't worry,
How you
honey.
doing?
I'm fine. And you?
Are we getting a nice picture together?
Yeah. Mwah.
Lovely.
What's your
You look
name?
beautiful. I'm Paige.
Paige. Oh, you too. You look beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
All
Thank
right.
you very much.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Good to
see you.
Thank
How are you, ladies?
Happy days.
Oh, you look gorgeous.
Oh, thank you, like always.
Ah, what's your name?
Paula.
Paula. Say hi.
I'm Ashley.
All right. And you, your name?
Ashley.
Ashley. Say hi, Ashley.
Hey.
All right.
Right
Your
there.
name?
Trevor.
Trevor. Say hi. Yeah.
My name is HRM Florence Okonkwo, Queen of Red Carpets. I'm a producer, I'm an author, I'm an actor, and I'm a publisher.
Can you please come closer to me again? I want to hear you more. Can you say it again? What is your name, darling?
My name is HRM Florence Okonkwo, Queen of Red Carpets. I'm an actor, a filmmaker, I am an author, a publisher, and also...
Welcome to Juu TV.
Thank you very much.
In fact, you look so sweet.
Thank you.
You're red carpet, the queen of red carpet. You deserve it.
Thank you very
look
much.
So gorgeous.
Thank you. Love
Say
your
hello.
hair.
Thank you. Say hello to your fans.
Hello, love. How you doing? We are here in Milton Keynes for Nigerian Independence Day. Be there live. We love you.
All right. Thank you very much. 1 minute. I want you to say, keep watching Juu TV. Keep watching Juu TV and subscribe to Juu TV.
Keep watching Juu TV and subscribe to Juu TV. Love you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello, sweetheart.
Good evening.
Good evening. What's your name?
Ambassador Yvette Filbert.
All right. You are here because of the party?
Yes, I have a special invitation to be here this evening to celebrate Nigeria's independence with the folks up here in Milton Keynes.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
I want you to say hello to your friends.
Oh, okay.
Your people you love.
Hi, everyone at Nollywood. Hi, everyone at Nigeria, Nido, Nidcom, Nido-E, all the Nigerians in the diaspora. I am really, really happy to be here to enjoy this event with you.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Bye-bye. Hello, May.
Hello.
You look so gorgeous.
Thank you very much.
What's your name?
Nelly Kings.
All right. You're here because of the party.
Yeah, I'm invited by Anthony K. I'm an actor,
Oh, you're an
I'm
actor.
an international actor as well, so I've been in love Nollywood movies, Yeah,
Okay.
So it's a privilege to be here tonight anyway.
All right. Okay. Welcome to Juu TV once again.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, you know how it is. Your boy again, Nelly King, Nollywood international actor. Please keep watching Juu TV. Trust me and subscribe to it. Juu TV is one of the best in town at the moment. You can't go wrong with it. Nelly King says so. You know what we'll do? As I will roll. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Say bye-bye to your friends.
Bye, guys.
What's your name?
I'm Faith.
Oh, Faith. Welcome to Juu TV.
Hello, Juu.
You are here because of the party?
Yes, I am the Nigerian Independence Party, yeah.
All right. Okay. Say hello to your friends, your people, everyone.
Hi, people. Hi, friends. Well wishes. How you guys doing?
All right. We'll see you soon inside there, okay?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.